Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Versatile Akash. In this video, we are going to create a JSP project for adding two numbers. So let's start.
First of all, we need to know that what is JSP. So JSP stands for Jakarta Server Pages, formerly Java Server Pages, that allows us to develop dynamic pages by using JSP tags. So JSP tags, these are the JSP tags, and we are going to use these tags to build our application. And this is the working of JSP, how it works. So let's create a project for adding two numbers. So first go to your Eclipse IDE. First of all, we have to create a dynamic web project. So go to new and dynamic web project, and project name, write JSP add app, then next generate web.xml for connections. It will take a while. After completing this process, we have to create a HTML file like home page for your for our project. From user will give the input to the server. So it will so as you can see that this is our project. Now for creating HTML file, go to web content and right click and create new HTML file. It will be the home page of our project named with index.html. So this is our HTML page, like home page. First create a heading, welcome. So heading and h1, welcome to my website. Not welcome is enough. I want this in center, so use center tag, center closing tag. In this HTML file, we are going to create two input field and one button for submitting the request. So create a form tag, form, create form tag, and then create a label name, enter first number, closing label, and then create an input field and type text and named with num1, number 1 short form num1, and placeholder enter first number, and for second copy it and paste it same. Change it with second number and named with num2, placeholder second number, and create a button. So creating a button, type input, type submit. So that's enough for our home page. Submit. So this is our home page code. Now run this HTML file. Let's see it, how is looking our home page. Okay. Oh, I forgot to write br tag for breaking the line. So br here, br tag, and just copy it and paste here and run again. So as you can see that this is our home page. Till now we have not code anything on for this button submit. So when a user click on this submit button, then a request goes to the server. So for that request, write action. That request goes with url add.jsp. add.jsp you have to write with the url with extension jsp. uh, so we will create add.jsp in which we write our adding code. So let's create JSP file named with add.jsp. add.jsp. So as you can see that this is our JSP file in which we will write code for adding two numbers. So first we will write scriptlet tag in which the JSP code will be, or Java codes will be inside this tag. So write scriptlet tag. All the Java codes will be inside this tag. So first we need to get that two parameter that user entered. So a method of request we will write from which we get that parameter. So write this number, two numbers. So write request dot get parameter and name. This name must be same as we have given the first input field, so num1, and store it in string s1, and then we will pass the string s1 in the int n1 because the data will be a number that entered by the user. So parsing s1, it has done. So for second parameter just copy it, second parameter just copy it and paste it and change the names. So as you can see that the num1 and num2 stored in n1 and n2. Now write code for adding int n is equal to n1 plus n2. So the sum of n1 and n2 is stored in variable n. So now we have to print these values as output that user will get from the server. So now we have to write code for output that will be visible to the user who made the request. So first a heading write a heading that will be visible to the user. My ad app in center. So use center tag. Then HR tag. Then use a paragraph. You can use anything. You can use heading, but I am using paragraph to print the values. So paragraph. Uh, First we will print first number which user entered. So here first number, this first number is stored in n1, so we use expression tag to print the value. So expression tag use uh, expression tag like this, and first number is stored in n1, so n1. And for the second value n2 and the sum, just copy it and paste it and change. So sum is stored in n variable.
So as you can see that our JSP file is completed, JSP code. Here is the Java code, and this is our HTML code. So what is happening? You can see that first of all, a user enter a first number and second number and submit. When he click on submit, then a request action add.jsp request goes to the server, and add.jsp what doing?
It
It
takes two parameters, uh, n1 and n2, means stored in n1 and n2 that entered by the user, and sum it and stored in n variable, and print that result as output that are visible to the user. So run the program, right click on your project and run on server finish. So as you can see that this is our home page. Enter first number, any number you can enter the second number, and on submit, on pressing this button, what happens? A request add.jsp goes to the server, and add.jsp shows us the result as html. So first, so add.jsp, it takes two numbers and give the result. So this is our JSP code and this is our HTML code. As you can see that the output, my ad app, this is the heading of our output, and this is our paragraph output. So here output, as you can see the working of this project. So this is the working of ad app project. Like a user request from home page, it request goes to the server with add.jsp url, and jsp add.jsp converts into servlet and execute the code and the response to the user as a html file, the output in html file. So as you know that the JSP is translated into servlet, or if you want to see the servlet for this JSP, then follow the steps, or go to your Eclipse project folder where you save all the projects here, and then go to metadata and then plugins, and then org.eclipse.wst.services, and then temp 0, then work Catalina localhost, or go to your project name like our JSP ad app, then org Apache and JSP this, and here this is our servlet file. As you can see that this is created by server at runtime. So as you can see that, so this is our servlet codes created by the server, not by us. As you can see that here this is our same as created by the server. So now go to your project. As you can see that it is visible the values. So what you have to do, go to your project and write a method and apply a post method in index.html file, then refresh it. So as run again, so as you can see that it is not visible the values right now. We give the title for our home page, add app, and go to your project and refresh, not your home page. So as you can see that my ad app title is come. So enter the value and looks, it works. So that's all. This is our JSP file.